Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to upload a video to online courses on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the site, blog, products, community, email, audience, and sales. And in the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about it and your messages. But now guys, let's see what we actually have, how you can actually go and upload a video to online courses on Podia. So first of all, go to the top side of the screen and click on products. Then choose the online course you want to add a video. So basically you'll have your products here when you of course created one. I don't have any products at the moment, but if you have one, it will be here. Then choose the online course and then click to the add section. So you can create it pretty easily. Just click here, click on course or whatever product you of course want. Just name it, click create, and then just go and click add video to your product. Then click the add section, click add lesson, click on upload video, enter a title, description, and any other relevant details for the video lesson. Click save to add the video to your course. And you can now preview your course to ensure everything is set up correctly. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.